Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the help section in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the left. And then at the user support section, click on the help button. And as you can see, it will navigate you to the frequently asked questions section, where you can find different questions related to different topics. So if you are interested in, for example, if NaviBridge can connect to any car navigation system, then just click on the question itself, and here you will find the answer. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.